So in this video I'm gonna show you the fastest way to build an aesthetic physique at home without any gym and without any equipment. So let's start by the first step. So the first step is to build a wider chest and a wider shoulders. And to build a wider chest and broad shoulders, you basically need to do 2 exercises that I'm about to tell you in this video. And to do those 3 exercises, you don't need to go to gym, you don't need any kind of equipment, you can just do it in your room. So now let's talk about the first exercise. And the first exercise is shoulder dips. Just find an area like this, or you could just do it in the side of the bed, just like I did. And guys, also make sure your form is correct when you're doing shoulder dips. So I want you to do like 40 to 50 reps of shoulder dips. And I want you to take some rest. And after some time, I want you to do it again. So in total, you'll do like 80 to 100 reps of shoulder dips. And of course guys, if you can do more than that, of course go for it. The more reps you do, the sooner result you'll see, So if you can do more than that, then please go for it. And guys, the main reason why I want you to do shoulder dips is it literally targets 3 muscle groups at the same time. Your chest, your tricep, and your shoulders. It's a compound movement, You're training 3 muscle groups at the same time. So whatever exercise you do or whatever exercise you already have in your routine, don't forget to add shoulder dips. So now let's talk about the second exercise. And the second exercise is diamond push-up. So this is how you do a diamond push-up with the correct form. If you do a normal push-up, it's also good, but it doesn't help you get that V-taper physique. So if you start to do diamond push-up right now, it will help you grow your shoulders very quickly, Just do a set of diamond push-up and you'll know what I'm talking about, You'll feel that squeeze and tension in your shoulders. This was my physique when I did normal push-ups. And this is my physique now after I started to do diamond push-ups. Just look at the difference in the shoulders, it's crazy. So make sure to do them diamond push-ups. Just get on your knees and get into this position and spam as much diamond push-up as you can. Yes, you heard it right. You don't need to count your every reps, Just make sure to train till failure. Train till you can't even feel your arms. Train till you can't move. Train till you're tired, and after that, train some more. That's how you actually make faster progress than everybody else, I know it sounds like fucking crazy and it's crazy to even think about it. But that's how you make faster progress than everybody else, There's no shortcut and there's no easy way. If you want faster progress than everybody else, then you have to train harder than everybody else. That's universal truth. So enough of that. Now let's talk about the third exercise. And the third exercise is sit-ups. If you want abs, but if you don't have any equipment, then sit-ups is a way to go. This is a very basic exercise and everybody knows about it, but this is the exercise that actually works. So I want you to do 40 to 50 reps of sit-ups. And I want you to take some rest. And I want you to repeat that 2 times. And now guys, let me tell you something very important about muscle building. So if you're trying to build muscle or if you're trying to lose fat or anything, your diet plays a huge role in your muscle building journey. And it also affects your progress. Right now, your goal is to build an aesthetic physique. So you need to make sure you're eating enough protein. Just think about it. You train hard and you give it your all. But if you didn't consume enough protein and if you didn't get enough rest, then the whole training will be a waste of your time. When you train, you create micro tears in your muscle. And when you take rest and when you consume enough protein, your body will heal those micro tears. And that's the science behind muscle building. So always make sure you're getting enough rest and you're getting enough protein. And guys, if you don't know which food contains how many grams of protein, or if you're just confused, just make sure you're eating 6 to 7 eggs a day. A single egg contains 6 grams of protein. And if you just eat 4 eggs, that'll be 24 grams of protein. You'll get 24 grams of protein just from eating eggs.